What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Spider-Man Noir. We're getting a movie. Is this true? Is it Nicolas Cage? I was like, I don't know if it's AI. I don't know what's real anymore. I couldn't believe it when it was like, Nicolas Cage, this can't be true. Then I looked it up and I was like, it might be true. So, deadly. This looks like fun. So I'm in a landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, I think it's the into the Spider-Verse style Noir. So let's draw 'em. Okay, so the hat covers the eyes. So we'll do the hat rim first. So we'll just bend this around. We'll just go up this way. That's kind of like sideways. All right. So the rim of his hat, just in here. And the other side. Bum, 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 bum. Then we'll go up the top. And it's one of those that kind of bumps in the middle. So we get like this kind of love heart sort of shape, you know, just on the top there. So the eyes then come down underneath, and they're kind of like goggles. So kind of like go this way. Down there. And then we have the white section inside. Very sort of narrow on the edge. Sorry, the light is changing, but the sun keeps coming in and out of clouds. It gets very bright and then very dark all of a sudden. Alright, like that, and then we'll go around again for the white. And like carve around, maybe there's a bit of an edge to it, kind of just on the inside. Right, so his chin, so we'll get his face shape, so we'll just do his chin sort of here. And just bring it up the side. So coming down like here beside his eyes. Right, just down. And bring it in. Right, he has a line that joins them together just like underneath, like here. And I think he does have webbing. So there's a bit of webbing. So we'll go there. It's not completely everywhere. By that I mean it doesn't go, it like stops, I think with just 4 lines or something. And then I think like this goes that way, which is unusual. So then a similar thing kind of here. Then it sort of bumps around like that. I think it's just two of these bumpy ones, which makes it way easier to draw. The webbing is the worst part of Spider-Man to draw. Right, so he's got like a turtleneck, so it like bumps right around. Like so. And now I had a fresh pen. There we go. Right, and then he has a massive collar, like Batman, like, or even like, what's the other one? Not Venom, the other guy. The one I can't remember. The guy who like is in hell. What's that character's name? I can't remember. Oh, it's a massive collar anyway. It's a very big collar. And then it like goes down this way. Spawn. That's what I'm thinking of, Spawn. And then it goes out the other side. There we go, down. Like that. Right, and then there's like a series of buttons and stuff down here. So we get like, there's like a line across like here. And then a line, these are like stitching lines, I think. And then we get like a series of buttons. It's like a double-breasted jacket. So I think there's like a line here. Can't see a button on this side for some reason, so we'll just leave it off maybe. Or you might have like, you know, the button just pulling some lines just across like that. Maybe it's like leather sort of. Yeah, all right, so shoulder comes out and down. And then his arm comes all the way down off the page. And then our other arm in there. And we can just see like his armpit sort of area. Either side, just with these folds. Yep. I think that's it. Spider-Man Noir. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.